welcome to another video. We're in Portland. You know, we just did a long drive down and we're in Port Antonio specifically at the moment. And I'm going up to a feature I saw on Instagram and I wanted to go for over a year now. I think it's on the Rio Grande, I'm not sure, I'll verify, but it's a river they call Dry River. Now, very different from the Dry River in Trinidad. This river is nice. We'll see how it goes. It should be a nice clear river with a waterfall. You guys excited?
Yeah.
They're tired from the trip so far.
That's behind us.
Yeah. Kingston on the south. Look at down there.
What?
I want to go and take a swim there. Tourists. Right, so we're going up to this attraction, this river, and so far, all kind of twisty turny road at F, and parts of the road bad, but we just crossed the Rio Grande, and there is a little walkway here, so we're going to check it out. Whoa. So check it out, the Rio Grande. These areas look kind of deepish, but look how clear the water still is. You can still see straight through to the bottom. There's all the big rocks and a little hut. Interesting. Chicken?
Hi, chicken.
Okay. So we're heading back to the car after looking at the Rio Grande. Continue. Alright guys, after we drove in from Port Antonio, I want to express just the road. You have to be ready for that. You know, the road is a little bad and long, but we're in. We met the guy Damien, and he's taking us to this attraction. So we're in Comfort Castle heading in. What's the name of the river? Dry River. Real bush Indian, I tell you. Do you feel like him?
Yeah, next time I hear him.
He attack? Damn man. So you're looking through the farmlands. Oh, look, pineapple. You see that? This is pineapple plant. Yeah, you just don't have the fruit on it. Pineapple plants. Machine. Whoa, walking through a kind of bamboo bridge. So we're taking off 5. As you can see, look how clear the water is. And it should be right over there. Alright, so we hiked in through the bush, along the river, and here we are. Check out that deep blue water, and look at that waterfall up there. Pretty cool. You good? Yeah. Bye-bye. That's the largest thing in the world. Definitely living your best life. Mine she here, mine definitely behind you. Definitely good shoulder workout. What time will we leave? So we took a lot of swimming. We went to the waterfall. I went behind the waterfall. It was really good. Oh, they may show me this beam.
It's not edible. You can heat it, but you have to cook it.
Okay.
But you have to soak it for 1 week.
Right.
Because you see, like how they say, I keep soap poison.
Yeah.
This cannot soap poison also.
Okay.
You can,
Yeah, boy. Nutty, nutty. I had one of this. I found it, I can't remember where. And I had this on my desk for years and I never know what it is. Now it's a cocoon bean, right?
yeah,
Cocoon bean. Look at this thing. I'm going to take it back. Swam in the water, up and down. Giovanna and Tiffany lived their best life on the bamboo raft, up and down. I went behind the waterfall. It was fantastic. Damien, our tour guide, that's him in the back there, gave us a really good time. And now it's overcast, so we're going to try to head out so the rain doesn't catch us inside here. But it was excellent, excellent. Look at that water. I don't even figure out which one should
Maybe I can surf. I'm not that strong. I'm not a far.
So Teffy, how was this?
Good.
Really?
I like it.
She liked the rafting. Alright, so you see what I tell her, Jamaica had clean water? That's what we talk about. So of course we hiked in, so we have to hike back out. But it's easier going back out, of course.
Let's go to this rock.
Christmas elderberry. I eat this already, man.
It has seed in it.
It's like
bite it down.
a taunt grape. So as we're going through, we get in a nice little nature hike. This is from a cinnamon tree. If you smell the leaves, it smells like cinnamon. Damien cut cane, and these guys biting it and eating it as they're going out. Really cool stuff. There's grass now they're eating. La Johnny. Yeah, the bigger? You look spoiled. Nice one. Hail out the donkey, honey. Hail him out.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
He's falling.
You gotta cutting up the cinnamon bark. They're so strong. Alright, so we reached back by where we parked the car. I want to thank Damien, our tour guide today. It was excellent.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to put his information and the information of the contact for here. So you guys, and it'll be in the description so you guys can check it out. Alright, thanks again.
And the edge. Thank you.
The edge. Alright guys, so we're driving back to Portland from this dry river excursion and tour. It was pretty good. I had fun. You guys had fun? Anybody there?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So anyway guys, thanks for watching another trip with Tiffany. You know, we're trying to show her Jamaica as much as possible.
A few days again.
Yes. Yeah, just a few days again we have with her, so we had to take advantage of it. Anyway, thanks for watching as always. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.